is the 10th episode of my channel, and today I've got a special guest with me. Jazz Head! It's my friend, and his name is Admir. And now, take a seat right here. We go. So, today we're going to be reviewing this air hog. It might be pretty old now.
Doesn't seem old on the back.
I know. But, yeah. I'm pretty sure it's really old, and today we're going to be reviewing it. So let's open it up.
Would you like me to?
Okay. I'm going to no, it opened up from here.
Oh. I've never opened one of these, so sorry about my poor judgment for these.
Yeah. I've never seen you open one.
I've opened many other boxes for like all my Nerf guns, but I can't.
Here, I'll help you.
Hold on, I got it. Got it.
Okay, you got it. Now, this thing is quite dangerous if you point it at someone.
Because I've seen these things on other YouTubers' channels, and these things hurt.
Yeah, if you actually because it's like a slingshot and you shoot it at someone.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Let me grab the scissors.
Yeah. No, we don't need scissors.
How? Oh yeah. How did I forget these?
Yeah, don't point them at people and then shoot them, because they can go up to 5 stories high.
And this will really get you in serious trouble if you hurt someone with this. Told you we might need the scissors.
No.
Yeah, I am terrible at it.
I'll do it.
Well, here's what the thing to shoot it from looks like. You get a little...
No, that's not the thing to shoot from. That isn't. That's the main piece for it. Oh, there's just a random piece of foam.
See? It's probably to keep it together because it's nice and snug.
Yeah. This looks really odd to me.
How is this odd?
I don't know.
I don't know that this is all okay. This is a really big string. Sorry, by the way. This is really big. Oh, wow.
I'll go tape it. I'll be back in a second.
All right. So, right here we have the grip, and I'm looking at the instructions on how to do this. Alright, so to assemble this part, you're gonna have to loop them around, and it might sound complicated. And I'm just doing this part while Sven gets back, and this part's really hard for me, and probably not for you guys. It's pretty hard for me.
Hey guys, I'm in the background.
Cool. And yes, I'm in the background. Okay, I have no idea how I'm going to do this.
You guys can just wait for me. You just do the parts that you can do.
Wait a second. So what you really need to do is get it through. Curl it up like this and put it like about at least the size until you can until here, and then just take the bigger part, which is the bigger side, and then put it right through the smaller side, and then just loop them, and done. So how this would work, oh, it just came off. Oh.
Hey guys, I'm back, and I did tape the thing, but I don't know
how it's gonna turn out.
Yeah.
We'll just say it. We'll just leave it at that.
Yeah.
All right. So just so you know, so we're having a little bit of technical difficulties with that. I think I've never used any of these, so once again it falls. So really air hogs make a good toy, and now it's just starting to fall apart. Oh, hold on. I think I'm putting it the wrong way. I think I'm putting them in opposite ways. There we go. I'll put it. There we go. There we go. Now what we do is
Well, we're not going to test it in here.
we're gonna go outside and test it.
Yeah. So we'll be back in a minute.
In a few seconds because of editing. So, okay. All right. So we have no idea how this is gonna go, but we're gonna try it. Can we count down, Sven?
3, 10, 9, 8,
Can't hold it much
7,
longer, man.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Let
me show you how it's properly done.
Oh, okay. Let's see the professional do this. Call me back in a quick second. All right, sunny loaded. Clearly have no idea how to work this.
Yeah, because you didn't push this down.
No, you don't need to push this down. No, you don't launch. Don't launch. Lock it in. Hold these two ends. Set. The final touch. The elastic.
Wait, how does this go?
We're just doing it.
Oh. I know.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I caught one. Yeah, eventually. Not yet. I wonder what will happen if we shoot it across, like vertically.
Okay, I'm gonna try that.
If you guys don't know what vertically means, it just means straight across. For those of you who don't know what it means, most of you probably do know, I think.
No, vertically means like to the side.
Horizontally, sorry.
Horizontally.
Horizontally.
It got its name horizontally because you know the horizon? The horizon line?
Horizon is basically the straight line across the world.
Yeah.
That you see. Okay, 3. Alright, latch it on for me, Sven.
Okay, let's try it vertically. Just vertically.
Yeah, so vertically, horizontally.
No, vertically.
We did it vertically, like twice.
No.
We're doing it horizontally. Oh.
Vertically means the side. No, vertically means like No.
Just latch it on. Oh, there goes number 2. Well, this is taking longer than expected. Okay, hold on. Let me twist this around. Hold on. Oh my god, I'm terrible at this. Oh, and there goes that part.
This isn't the type of technology I'm doing.
Hey, how do you know how to work an Xbox?
I meant to talk knowledge. This isn't the type of technology.
Hold that. So much harder to lock it. Okay. There you go. Well, just let me get it. I like how I haven't used this technology at all in my entire life, and I still know how to work it. I need this. So I need that. Don't make me shoot you with this. If you don't stop, I'll shoot you with this. I'm pretty sure this might hurt. We actually don't know. We thought it was one of those ones that would hurt a lot. And I might shoot it at Sven.
Don't! That might kill me.
How will this piece of plastic kill you?
It might. Okay.
Well, we'll just. This takes so long to load. Should have cricket sounds every time we have to load. Other way. Hold on. Just hold this. You're so bad at this. As simple as that. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3, 9. I got it. Alright, we don't want to move. Alright, we're launching it basically straight.
No, don't! There's someone there.
Turn this way, then, Joe.
No, don't!
We're comes in conclusion that either we don't know how to work this thing or something is messed up with either one of these.
No, it's probably because today's a windy day.
Yeah, probably. Should probably test it inside before we end this video off.
No.
Bye, Jazz Head.